finished product. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Hakim still out here. So today right now we're at the Simon Valley Bridge again. So right now basically I catch some fish, you understand? I go and do some catch and cook, hopefully we can catch anything. Yeah, so you can guys so I go on and keep it locked out here, you know. One more. First on this. Yeah man. No one will draw to whatever now, you know. We have a line here and everything. Season up. Ready to get some big money to that water there. It's a big one now. You're probably not falling. Alright guys, let's see what I'm going right now. So today I have some seasoning, is it? See it? Some seasoning, so you know anything we catch I'll get seasoned down on the riverside there. You understand? It's a lovely day out here. Is it? So we're going to catch some already. Some big one right just here. You guys can see. So way back down there so right now we're going to do thing. Is it? On this great location right here, so. Let's start. Yeah man, so what I go on guys? Push them and go on coast out, you know? Go on. Leave it the right way, you know? Yeah man. Right way. Ah, they switch them up a skill star.
Mullet?
Super like
Okra. Langsung lagi.
yes, I make it thick seasoning, you know? Jerk season and a meat border. Bigger meat board. Is it? Jerk season.
You know, should I catch it fire? Same place up. No dry tip there. See if it go around there them still. Like a bigger meat board. Everything, paper, everything. Can't live in a while.
Alright guys, so right now we just on season up the fish them. You see it? Catch around 3 still, so show you guys what I'm going to see me right now. We are catch, so I look some wood. You see it, catch a fire. Over here, sir. You trash them right there? Trash them.
So I go on with the one more.
Yeah.
Whatever.
You have to get the same.
Yeah.
Get the same. Wow. Wait a bit.
You see how make it? One strike. So when I'm out, can't open my wagon. So I go on. Putting down pan, you see? If you have 2 pieces iron now, we could have put pan in. Green tea. Okay, rose. And I'll catch. Finished product.
Well, the roast. See it?
You want to try a piece of it?
Try pieces.
Take a piece of it and tell me what it is.
man.
But
Bad man. Bad man, I see it.
let's have a check piece of. No, I think it's not a roast. But like yields.
Someone ready? Someone ready? Hmm? Yeah guys, so right now take some dip off in the water. You see it? Oh, what that? Jail job of chili. Yes, so right now I'm gonna take a dip off in the water. So you see it? The water look deep and dark. See I feed them. Soon start speaking now.
the bike go down. Okay. No, sir. Let's go down with the bike, man. Let's go down with the bike. I say my dog, you might get Adrian. You're not going to be